Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to this channel. My returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, in this video I'm going to be explaining how to fill in your logbook as a Siwes student. So this is how my logbooks look like for the University of Ilorin. So we call it logbook, or you can call it your Siwes or IT book, whichever one you want to call it. So this is what they give to us for those. I think some people, maybe their 300 level or 400 level, they go for their IT or Siwes. My school calls it Siwes, which is Student Industrial Work Experience Scheme, where you go to any company or any industry to do your practical, like what the theoretical experience you've had in school, you get to be exposed to the practical knowledge of it. So I'm going to explain how you're going to fill in this logbook for the University of Ilorin students, and also for other universities in Nigeria. The logbook, they are kind of similar, not exactly the same, but then similar. So let's just dive into it. I'm going to open it, the first page, whatever is here, I don't know. All right, so we're just this is the page, student particulars. This side I just have my name, the name of my university. You might not be seeing it very well, but then if you are a University of Ilorin student, once you get this logbook, you know the page I'm talking about. So this side I just fill up my name, the name of my university, my course, my level, and then the industry I did my IT, my Siwes, and also the Siwes coordinator at the lab that I did my Siwes, because I did my Siwes in the school central research lab. So this side you'll be required to put your passport photograph, which I did here, and also my matric number is below this place. So this is how the logbook is inside. You have your weekly progress sheet. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like that. Anyhow, any day you stop. This side we have the week number. You put your week number, and then week ending, which is Friday for me. I work from Monday to Friday, so by the end of the week I'll write my week ending here, which is Friday. And then this side for sketches, diagram, and graphs, I drew some diagrams there. Yes, so that is it for diagram. And then sometimes if you don't want to draw your diagram, you can actually print it out and paste it at this side of your logbook. So here we have the signing, both your signing, your signature, and the date, and also the industrial based supervisor is going to comment how your I don't know how you did well. I don't know how you did for that week. He's going to comment around this side, and he will also sign and put dates. So that's basically it. That's how it's going to be for the 26 weeks that you're going to be doing your Siwes or IT. So guys, before you even start filling your logbook, there are some certain things that you need to do, which is this place. We have the back of the book here. We have the industrial training funds, and wherever you do your Siwes, any state that you are in, there's a particular industrial training fund, the area office, that you have to go and submit a particular listing from the logbook. There's a particular page that you have to submit with them at the area office. So this side contains the different area office that we have: Ogun State, Abuja, Lagos, Oyo, Osun, just any state that you do your IT, the area office is here for direction. So I don't have it there, but this one is there's no page number, but the last part here. Okay, So this part contains my name, matric number, course, name of establishment. Like I fill everything, and then assessment obtained from the industrial supervisor, and then the Siwes coordinator. They'll be required to visit the industry you do your Siwes or IT. They'll visit you maybe 1 or 3 times, depending on how many times they actually visit your place. So but don't mind, they visited mine just once, so they took this part with them. Like they took, that's why I don't have it here with me, because I'm making use of 2 logbooks. So this is mine, and it's out. This part, oh okay, it's not showing, sorry. But anyways, they took this part of the logbook with them when they came for a visit. They do some interview, how what are the things you've learned at the industry where you are doing your IT. Like that was how they asked me how it's related to my course and everything. So yeah, that's just basically it about that page. The other page here we have is this part, as you can see, like this side. You are going to fill your name, then the ITF that you are going to submit this, and the area office, and also the address of the organization that you are doing your Siwes. Then you write your name and just follow the procedure here. So this one, you are going to submit it at the ITF office, whichever state you are doing your Siwes. So guys, this is the part where the Siwes coordinator signed when they came to visit my lab where I did my Siwes. So they're going to, it actually has 3 different parts for them to sign, but like I mentioned, they came just once, so that's why I have just one signing there. So after you're done with your 6-month Siwes training, you are required to fill this part of the logbook, and you also need another passport for it. So once you fill up everything here, you take it to the ITF office. They will sign and also stamp on it. Although this part is your industry or any lab that you did your Siwes, they are going to sign for you here. They're going to stamp, rather they'll sign and stamp, as you can see the stamping. So you take it to the ITF office. They'll go through it and confirm that okay, yes, you are done with it, and this is where they'll sign. Yeah, they said good 6 months complete, good 6 months complete, and then this is the stamp from the ITF office, and then the person will the name and signing. They'll also stamp at the front as well. This part, yeah, you can see another stamp for at the ITF office. That's after you've completed your 26 weeks of training. During the process of filling your logbook, it is advisable to have jotters where you can save all these things. Like yeah, you can, some people used to use pencil to fill up this part so that they can make use of their biro later on, so that they don't make any mistake, because you don't want your logbook to look rough. Mine is very neat. I'm a neat baby girl, okay? So just make sure you have jotters where you write whatever you learned for the week, then you go back home and then fill it properly without any mistakes. So that's just an advice for you guys. So when you're done with your Siwes, when you've completed everything, you are required to write a report for it, and there's a guideline in this logbook as well. And because it's my first time, I also did not have any idea about how to make a report. So there's actually a guideline here for it on how to prepare your report, your Siwes report. So everything is here. I don't need to say it out. Everything is in the logbook. So that's just basically it about filling your Siwes logbook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please do well to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and whatever contribution you have for me, suggestion, just leave it down in the comment section below. and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye. This is what is required for submission: your logbook and also your report, and your report has to be bonded into a disk, and sometimes depending on your department you might be asked to do a presentation.